experience was very good. The crew that came to put in the windows, they were very efficient, they were fast, they knew what they were doing. Everything was done as it's supposed to be done, and windows are perfect. I love them, very good. I would recommend these guys to anybody. As a matter of fact, I recommend them to my dad, and he got his windows put in, which was very good. He loves them also, so good job. Installation crew, like I said, they were very good, they were fast, they know what they were doing, and they were polite. They asked us if they needed anything to be picked up or if they needed to take anything with them. They took all their garbage and their trash, whatever, they took everything, they cleaned up. Very good crew. Very happy, very happy. And as you know, there was a hurricane that was threatening us not too long ago, and I was happy that I had these windows put in. I love them. And my electric bill is going down as well, so that's a plus.